In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disconnect Zoom from your Close CRM account. This process is quite straightforward, but it's important to follow each step carefully to ensure that everything is done correctly. Let's dive in. First, you'll want to start on your Close CRM homepage. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and do that now. Once you're on the homepage, take a look towards the bottom left corner of your screen. You'll see an option labeled Settings. Click on that to proceed. This is where all your account configurations are managed, so it's a crucial starting point for making changes like this. After you've entered the Settings menu, your next step is to find the Accounts and Apps section. This is where Close CRM manages all the integrations and applications linked to your account. Click on Accounts and Apps to move forward. This will bring you to a list of all the apps and accounts currently connected to your Close CRM profile. Now you'll need to locate the Zoom account that you want to disconnect. Look for a pencil icon on the right side next to your Zoom account. Clicking on this icon will allow you to edit the settings for this particular connection. It's a quick way to access all the options available for managing your Zoom integration. Once you've clicked on the pencil icon, you'll see an option to remove account. This is the final step in disconnecting your Zoom account from Close CRM. By clicking Remove Account, you are effectively severing the link between Zoom and Close, which will stop any data or meeting information from syncing between the two platforms. It's a good idea to double check that this is what you want to do, as this action cannot be undone. And there you have it. You have successfully disconnected Zoom from your Close CRM account. This process is really helpful if you're looking to streamline your integrations or if you no longer need the Zoom connection. Remember, you can always reconnect the account later if necessary by following the integration steps in reverse. I hope this guide made the process clear and simple for you. If you have any further questions or run into any issues, be sure to reach out to Close CRM support for additional assistance. Thanks for watching, and make sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tutorials on managing your Close CRM integrations and settings. Have a great day!